Hey guys, sorry for the noise, but we're in a plane right now. But we just wanted to say we're on our way back from vacation, and that's why we haven't been uploading lately. So we're gonna give you guys an IKEA one. But we just want to say thank you for reaching 50 subscribers. We're at 56, but it's crazy because I remember when we were at 20, we were just trying to hit 25, but now we're at 50. Hopefully we can make it to 100 and more and more.
Thank you guys so much for watching our channel, and if you found it and if you like us, thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. What's up, it's Beth
And JP,
and today we are going to IKEA, and I'm really excited because I'm looking for some new furniture pieces for my room, and I'm gonna be redecorating it and getting a new room. So yeah, stay tuned, and actually comment down below if you're interested in seeing like a new room tour or something like that. But yeah,
IKEA. Home of
IKEA.
the life of a YouTuber. We got that 46 subscribers. They ended up giving us an extra 100K.
we're treating that. See, that shit's cute.
Maybe there's carts over there. That is nice.
For that setup.
What?
Maybe we'll have to take the elevator because we have a cart. What's that?
I don't know. Some kid section. You already have your hands full, huh? I don't. So leave me alone. Oh. Okay. Follow that old lady. She probably. What?
No, she had special access.
Did she really?
Try the other door.
Oh, okay. Really? Really? That's weird. Some pots.
This is so cute. I could put like, it's kind of big. If I had
Oh,
a
that is
smaller
big.
one, I could put like my makeup brushes in here, or like flowers. That would be cute.
Hey, we in the kitchen.
Hey, cocina.
Cocina.
Like, what are they called? Hard-boiled eggs.
You
Right?
smell like hard-boiled eggs.
Okay.
You look like an egg.
Oh. Because now I'm on that twin bed.
Doesn't matter, wait.
I'm making my bed
Ooh,
stuff from Walmart.
that's my bed right there. Ooh. Dumbass. Ooh, Coco's backpack.
Like, oh, is this a hamper?
Oh,
I want a more girly one. There. it's
you're
right
not a girl.
I want a mirror like this.
We're in the bathroom section. Oh, my sister has one of those.
See, so you can. Ooh, it's deforming my face a little bit. And then the.
Alright, guys. So I just want to let you guys know that we just became famous, 46 subscribers. Making moves.
Use these little things
For what?
for makeup. Perfect.
Woo, this is what we need. Hey.
Oh,
Hey.
alright. Hey.
Get the dirty hand out of there.
Maybe it'll be around here.
Alright, guys. I'm just trying to live my life, But IKEA won't let me live my life. What is this?
Look, B for Beth. Why is it slanted though? Why is it only white? I want other colors.
Yeah.
Like that.
You. Limited edition.
I kind of like it.
Ooh, these cups are kind of cool.
I know.
Alright, why are you looking at that one as a cup?
No, and then you put a candle in there. It's really cool. How much?
Like $50.
It's $4.
$3.99. Fuck that.
Should I not? Yes or no?
Get what? Damn. That's good stuff. Bedroom, kitchen. Main one.
Okay, MTV Cribs.
Oh, this is the upper
Back to
level.
my house. So this is the map of my house. Please don't get my bedroom in here.
Kitchen,
Personal.
dining room, bedroom. Where would it be? We're just gonna have to walk around. What? You want a boo ass chair like that? We did not come to IKEA for that chair.
No, look, it's cute. And then
It's cute. It's cute my ass.
and then look, if we got like a white one.
No, bro.
Okay, it would have to be a little bit bigger because this is like too small for my butt, but yeah. I want one that I can put on the wall. I don't know how to do this.
What?
What does this mean?
Bro, I'm just. Oh, that chair's kind of cool. Hey, I found a chair. What's the problem?
I'm too wide. I can't fit through these small places.
Alright then. Alright, is that a chair you would like?
Yeah, I like this. I actually like this.
Oh, you can just buy this chair. Oh, this is a fall protector, never mind. The stand. Some white. You can, oh yeah, you can actually buy this chair. Oh, if you're trying to spend $70.
$70 on a damn chair?
Hey, we just got the YouTuber stuff. Don't forget.
The
Yeah, that's
light?
actually pretty nice. The light's pretty bright too.
Yeah.
Use it for a fish tank, you know.
Pretend to have a laptop. Oh my god, they got a fake laptop.
What is this? Does it have a... I was gonna say if it has a Mac sticker. Stop. Man, these are actually real books. Concerts would be all over this shit. What? Wait, what?
Then you can like put it against your bed. YouTube.
Fuck. They're just gonna have to figure that out.
Hey.
It's
Self
pretty-
promo.
So, we ended up, she ended up getting the salmon. I didn't even know IKEA had food. I got the pulled pork burger.
I like it. Well, I like the french fries and the pickles. The salmon, they could do a little bit better on, I'm not gonna lie. Okay guys, so we're wrapping it up for today. I got 2 pillows and I got, I might get a mirror, but I'm for sure getting a chair. So yeah, stay tuned for bigger and better things.